Hello! Welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel as we dick around in the shed again. So run that intro and we'll get right on it. Oh, I gotta put these on. Run that intro. I'm back. Today these are some good ones. Ulanzi Go Quick 2 basic set right here. They got a lock. You can lock them. So you ain't got to worry about it falling off because they magnet, but still when you turn it, it could vibrate with these locks. So this one, that ain't what we're working on. That's not what we're working on. Nope, we're working on the wife's CanAm Spyder. I done did, we putting these mirror stabilizer, but the older models, the 20s and down, they called it magnet mirrors, magic mirrors or magnet mirrors or something. But anyway, it's just, hey, you're in the instructions. But remember, it's a choking hazard, these metal pieces, so don't chew on them. I don't know why I said that. But this is what you get right here. Is these, reason why I know what I do with it. Oh, yep, that is. I went to Home Depot just to see. Of course, I didn't have what I needed, but they had what I want, kind of what I needed. These are a little long. This, I'll tell you about this in a minute. These are M5 8s, whatever, but they're a little longer. But what I done did one side, so I'm on this in this other side. I'm going to show you how to do it. But that's what you get. Like I said, these are just a little bit longer. And I believe you could do it with a boat, but these, you go to Home Depot, pick these up. This is a 1 inch, 1/8 thickness. I guess it's a, I don't know. It's 3/4 inch, maybe something like that. But it's the same size as this. See here, same size, same thickness and everything. You could just mark it, drill your hole, because these right here works good because they square and they go in this square hole on the back. You know where you double nut it. That's what she said. Oh Lordy. But anyway, I figured I can make some of these because I got a welder and a drill and a grinder, and I could cut what I needed. Just a square, drill a hole, weld the back side, because I don't think the back side's really going to matter much either way. I know we keep these nuts tiny, because I'll show you when we get over there. But you just need 6. They give you 6 per side. These little, I couldn't find none metric nuts. This size M5 8, whatever, but these are the same size you take off here, so you really wouldn't need but 6 no, 6 per side. You wouldn't need but 6 because you can reuse these bolts right here. See, so you wouldn't need but 3 more per side. Yeah, so you need 6. Yeah, that's what I said. So let me show you what we go to the bike. You need a 12 millimeter and a 10 millimeter, but you're really gonna need a deep socket 8 millimeter and a T20 torch already over there. So let's go over there. All right, first step is you can pop these off with a plastic tool, or if you can get they just pop off, kind of lift and pop. You'll figure it out. They come off pretty easy. They go back on pretty easy. So you need the T20, because you're going, that's a 1/4 drive and 3/8 drive. Just using my little T handle here. There's a torch right there. Spin that off. See how loose? But you take this off, And set it to the side. That's your mirror. See your mirror? I hope you can still see it. And then you're going to need your set that down so you won't lose it. And then you just pop these off. That's how you, that's it. Just pop them off, same way you did the other one. But you need to get to these right here and these right here. Well, you still got your Torx in your hand. Oh, you're going to need Loctite too. Fast fella. But you 4 T20 Torx in here. You spin those out. There's 4 of them. I believe 3 would have held it. And you take this off right here. That's all you need. So let's go back to the workbench so I can work on it. Alright. So now you need to unscrew all these screws. One of them you don't really got to unscrew it. Because it just unscrew it a little bit. And see, it sits behind there. Like so. The rest of them you got to put through the bolt. The hole. The hole. Get that locked down. A little dab of doogie. Down towards the end. Spin that one back down. So you take your deep well. And see what I mean? It fits right in there. And like I said, you got clearance on the back side to work with if you didn't have you just welded that bolt on there. Just snug it. You don't want to over tighten it because it's plastic. So let me do these other 2 right quick. I'll show you the hole. See, I got 2 of them in there, and then the hole's right there. It's where them pins right here would be sticking through. And you run your bolt down. Just like I said, you worked with plastic, but kind of give it a snug so you can feel it get good and tight. Good and tight. Right, now I need the other piece. Now for this other piece, you just taking the bolts out, and one of them's a 12, and other one's a 10. These small ones are 10. Usually the way it works. So you just unscrew those. I'm going to show you right quick before I put it back on, because that's you just putting it back on, and then these line up like so. I don't know how it goes. Anyway, something like that. So see how, of course, when I get it, it's just plastic. How hard can it be to line them up? Slide them through there like that, and then you bolt your bolts back up, and just repeat the process of taking it back on. And yeah, let me do that. Oh, my screw bolts, my nuts, don't drop them. Yep, need that, and that's all I need. Oh, and the Loctite. All right, you can see I got it back together, and you can see how, I mean, other than 4D, you can shake them real hard. I mean, these are a whole lot better. Yeah. I lost my dang cap. That's not good. I thought I had it in my pocket. What is it? Oh, it's a men's cover. GoPro mount stuff. Great. Just great. All right, where you at? All right, well, I have no idea what I did with the lid to my Loctite. Dang it. I mean, I looked under the bike. I looked everywhere. I thought I did. It ain't in my pockets. Anyway, we'll find it when we ain't looking for it. So, Mosquitoes are eating me up. Yep. So you, if you would, 26, I think it was $26, RT and F3 stabilizing kit. Scan UC code for instructions. But I'll put the link down there. I got it from Sling Mod. Also got, we'll see, we're doing a full makeover on her bike from the front to the back. I had something back ordered. The lid on the tour pack won't stay open, but they got a heavy duty, so that should be coming soon, hopefully. Said by middle of June. And yeah, and then we went from the front to the back on hers. Upgrading. Upgrades. Yeah, the description and the link and all for these stuff would be in the descriptions. I ain't got nothing else to say, so you can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. It's still free. And yeah, we'll catch you later.